My name is Richard, and in this week's discussion, we'll be looking at the role of the server-side and client-side programming and the load of the network in the case of thin or thick client approach to software architecture. So here we'll be arguing and whether thin or thick client approach of software architecture, which of it is the best. So let's look at the roles of the thick and thin client. With a thin client, architecture is typically used to describe a scenario in which a user of the application connects to the material monitoring application over the internet, a local area network, or a wide area network using a web browser on a personal computer. So with a thin client, it's based on using a web browser on a personal computer, whilst a thick client is one in which an application running on a PC or MC manages all user interactions before relaying the information to the database server. So with a thick client, it manages the information on a personal computer or mobile computer before relaying the information on the database server. So my argument, I realize with a thick client is preferably, or in today's 21st century or today's age, I will go for the thick client. This is because the thick client is reliable in terms of operating continuously in multiple production facilities. Also, it is cheap to deploy, which makes its use of low-cost personal computers and database servers. The client's program running on a personal computer immediately checks the data that was collected. Data-guided scan sequences can be used for simple data entry validation and rapid user feedback following each step of the data entry. Also, moving on to the next stage, thoroughly validate each data entry item. As well as with a thick client, where we compare the server side and the client side. If PC clients are written in Access VBA production engineers, if PC clients are written in Access of VBA, production engineers may easily adapt them for various work centers. As well as if server-side code is implemented in SQL, stored procedures, database administrator or manufacturing engineer can readily change how the operation works. Hence, it makes it flexible. Using native mode printer drivers, it is simple to interact with barcode printers and RFID portals. So realize that with the thick client gives you more options or more availability to explore what you are supposed to do with the client or server side. Example of the thick client architecture includes with the DTalk, Yahoo Messenger, Microsoft Outlook, online trading websites, etc. Also, the thin client applications are web-based applications which may be accessed on the internet using a browser, as said earlier or in the beginning of my presentation. This kind of application don't need any client-side software installation. That is the two differences that can be noted. So in conclusion, store and forward technology is proven to be far superior to terminal mode operation when it comes to the deployment of wireless mobile computers in factories, warehouses, and other industrial environments with sporadic wireless communications, especially when compared to every server-based applications. So in a nutshell, take client apps with client server for personal computers and store forward for mobile computers appear to be the way to go for the clients globally with the current technology available. So these are my references at the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.